A significant storm system will cross the country this week. Wintry weather is expected for many across the United States, with a potentially major winter storm in southeastern Canada, where 30 to 50 centimeters of snow may accumulate. On the southern end of the storm, a severe weather event looks to develop over the southeastern United States, posing a risk of damaging winds and even tornadoes. Just before we do start today's update, make sure you subscribe to this channel with the bell on, if you are interested in seeing more United States and Canada-based weather forecasts and updates. Let's start off today's update by timing out this storm. Widespread mountain snow is moving through parts of the Rockies today. This wintry weather will work its way into Kansas and Nebraska this afternoon and evening, bringing a quick shot of snow and sleet. A wintry mix may make it to parts of Missouri by early on Thursday morning, before temperatures warm up and no longer support frozen precipitation. Around this time, moisture will move into the interior northeast, allowing for some light snow to fall in New England, ahead of a cold rain that moves in on Thursday evening. Once this storm system makes it into the interior northeast on Thursday night, moderate to heavy snowfall will develop over parts of southern Ontario and Quebec, and even into New Hampshire and Maine, resulting in substantial snowfall accumulations. The snow will continue working its way into Quebec on Friday, with heavy snow switching to rain over Maine. As the storm moves further into Quebec on Friday afternoon and evening, cold air will pour into the eastern United States, causing widespread light snow showers to form, potentially making it as far south as Tennessee. The light snow showers will then gradually diminish during the overnight hours on Friday, before all the disruptive weather moves completely out of the country on Saturday. Snowfall accumulations over the Rockies and central United States look to be on the light side. Heavier snow is likely in the mountains, with light snow and sleet in lower elevations. A small swath of light snow and sleet may extend from northeast Colorado through parts of Nebraska, Kansas, and Missouri. Generally about a dusting to an inch or two can be expected, but isolated higher amounts cannot be ruled out if you are under a heavier pocket of snow. Moving on to the upper Midwest and Great Lakes, we see more of the same. Most areas may see about a dusting of snow, associated with those backside snow showers on Thursday night into Friday. For the interior Northeast, light snow is expected for most areas, with heavier snow along the coasts of the Great Lakes and in higher elevations. The heaviest snow is possible in New Hampshire and Maine, where we may see up to a foot of snowfall. And lastly, the heaviest snowfall from this system is anticipated for parts of southern Ontario all the way through Quebec. Areas in the bright pink may see upwards of 20 centimeters of snow. Places in this green could see over 35 centimeters of snowfall accumulation, with upwards of 50 centimeters possible in those very light pink and red shades. After taking a look at all the snow we are expecting, how about severe weather? Even though this storm doesn't have much cold air to work with over the United States, all the warm air over the southern United States will allow for a severe thunderstorm outbreak over the southeast. As you can see on this weather map, a severe squall line may develop on Thursday, and then sweep across Tennessee, Alabama, Georgia, and the Carolinas. According to the latest severe weather outlook from the Storm Prediction Center, the area of greatest concern for severe weather is going to exist from central and southern Alabama into western South Carolina. Some additional isolated severe storms are also expected across the marginal risk area, which extends up into southern Indiana. Damaging winds are the primary hazard, especially if this develops into a squall line, but some embedded circulations may result in a couple isolated tornadoes. Thank you for watching. If you like these weather forecast videos, please consider subscribing to the channel with notifications turned on.